Hello, Chad Payne here, investment advisor with Security First Asset Management, with our weekly market recap for the week ending June 4th, 2025. Don't forget about our $100 Visa gift card giveaway for anyone that refers friends or family members to us. We will put your name in the drawing for that Visa gift card and give it away at the end of the second quarter, which won't be long. So take advantage of that while there's still time. Also, looking ahead on the calendar, in August, we'll be having our halftime report and bowling event. We did this last year. It was well attended, it was a lot of fun, and a pretty cool place to be in the heat of August. So keep an eye out for those dates and sign up early for that. So, looking back at last week, for the most part, U.S. markets were down for the week, with smaller cap stocks leading the charge down. However, it was a little bit tale of two different weeks, two different parts of the week. Through Thursday of last week, stocks were positive as there was some better than expected economic data that helped drive things, as well as some optimistic trade talks with China. However, on Friday, markets quickly turned negative as Israel launched airstrikes against Iran's nuclear facilities. So that led to some oil prices jumping, as well as gold prices jumping, and markets backed off and closed negative for the week. So the news that drove things early in the week was that our consumer price index did rise less than expected in May, 0.1% and a 2.4% year over year number, which is getting real close to that 2% target that the Fed is looking for. Also, the producer price index only went up by 0.1%. So that bodes well that maybe inflation is starting to get under control, and we've got almost a year of look back to show that it's definitely been retreating. Small business and consumer sentiment rose for May and so far for June as well. So those are a couple of positive things that helped drive markets forward early in the week until the Israel and Iran information came out toward the very end of the week that hurt markets. We'll have to keep an eye out on that. That may drive markets here for a little while, as well as tariff talk is still out there. So just want to leave you with this. According to the United States Chamber of Commerce, there are more than 33 million businesses in the United States, most of which are small businesses. Millions of those get created each year, as well as millions fail each year. So we do appreciate your support of our small business here at Security First Asset Management, and anything we can do to help you guys. If you have questions, don't hesitate to call. I hope your summer is off to a great start. Have a great week. Thank you.